It has been so incredibly just yucky here with all the rain and just bad weather. And we have so many outdoor projects to accomplish, but we can't do it again today because it's raining. We are gonna go ahead and just make up some snacks, big batch snacks, because we can always use those. I was gonna do some like freezer cooking or some like didn't make ahead dinners, but I just didn't plan ahead for that. I wasn't prepared for all this bad weather. Abby and I are going to whip up some fun snacks with the help of Bailey. I think is going to help us. Brooke is working on some of our dairy processing. We get 3 gallons of milk a day right now with calf sharing, so that's a lot of milk that needs to be used up. So we're always making yogurt and cheese. So she's working on that, but let me turn you around and show you what Bailey and I will be working on. So I have some recipes here I'm going to be using. There's Brooke's list. Our list is we're going to make up some trail mix, some granola bars, some protein bites, Cheez-Its, a recipe I've never tried but I'm so excited about, and some make ahead oatmeal cups. That's sort of like breakfast, but it's for, you know, if just one person wants oatmeal, we don't have to make a whole batch of it. So that's what we're going to be doing. I like to keep at least a gallon of trail mix on hand at all times, and every time I make it different. So this time around I put banana chips in and raisins and the cranberries that I bought from Azure. I got peanuts and chocolate chips in there. Now I put it in the container just to make sure it's gonna fill it, then I dump it out and mix it all together until it comes out all beautifully blended. My next job was to work on protein balls. I've made different varieties of protein balls in the past. This was the first time using this recipe, so it was so simple though. I just gathered my ingredients, mixed them together. From here, I put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet into the freezer for about 30 minutes, and they'll stay in the fridge until they are all eaten. We also have the granola going in the oven. We've made that before, so we'll link to that. The great thing about this oatmeal cup recipe is that you can add whatever you want. We've done fruit, we've done nuts. In this one, we just added some chocolate. The Cheez-It recipe was a lot easier than I expected it to be. So we made the dough and put it in the freezer for a short time. Then we rolled them out into the Cheez-It style squares. Ours weren't perfect, but they taste all the same. We have been working hard at making all of our own dairy products. We're slowly moving in the direction of not needing to buy anything dairy. Here Brooke is working on the curds for her cheese. She's making mozzarella cheese, and she decided to whip up some cottage cheese as well this day. We are also continually making yogurt all the time. Our kids love yogurt. It's become a favorite in the house. They just mix in whatever toppings they want and eat raw milk yogurt any time of the day. You can check out our video on that if you want to learn how we make it. We did finish up. We did decide to skip out on the granola bars. We sort of ran out of time. And Brooke is still working on the dairy projects, but we got all the snacky projects done. Now, what I did learn is that doing this while your kids are inside with you all day, maybe not the best idea, because a lot of my stuff is already eaten. I'll show you what's left. So we did do that trail mix, and there is a gallon jug of that remaining there. And we did get 1 bag of granola that the kids will mix in with yogurt. We do have some protein bites left that haven't been eaten that are going to go in the fridge. We have, this is all that's left of the Cheez-Its, y'all. They devoured those. That was a hit. I'm going to have to make a lot more Cheez-Its next time, but they are so good. And then the oatmeal cups, I think we have 12 left. About half of that has been eaten already. So those will go in the freezer. We decided to make them chocolate, and they love those. Like I said, a bunch of people ate those for lunch today. So this is what I'm left with, which, you know, but they ate all day today too. So it was a fun time with everyone all together. And we'll have all the dairy to show for it as well.